Hello guys, welcome to Tech Solutions. In case you are new here, this is Ethical, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a Payoneer account. Okay, a Payoneer account that you'll be using to receive foreign currencies, that is dollar or USD. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. All right, so you need to ensure you have a very strong network connections, and of course we'll be using Edge browser in this video. So I'm going to double click on my browser, then we need to open a new tab and we'll straight away go to payoneer.com. So as you can see, I already have it on my URL, so I just need to hit enter on my keyboard. So this is the Payoneer website. Okay, so to create an account here, you can see we have sign in, we have register. Okay, so we're coming as freelancers, right? So under this, I will just select get paid by clients, as simple as that. So open your account. It's very easy. We're going to open this in simple steps. So I'll click on open an account. So here, this is the form for you to open an account. So we need to put in our first name. Our first name here is going to be Musa, so I will give it Musa. Then the next field is our last name, which is Muhammad. So I'm going to add in my last name. Then of course you need to provide a valid phone number here. So I'll go with this number. Okay, 15916. All right, so I've given them a valid number. Then we need a work email. All right, so I need to input a valid email address here. Okay, okay, 36. All right, there is I here, right? Then yes, at gmail.com. All right, so we've gotten a valid email. Now they're asking for a registered business name. Of course our business is not registered, to this is not compulsory. Then I need to add up a website address. Of course this is also not compulsory, right? So the country that we are in, of course I'm currently in Nigeria, so I'll leave it on Nigeria. Then this is where we have tell us more about your this is tell us more about yourself. That is sorry about your business. My business is not registered, so I just select the last one. I'm a freelancer, of course, not a registered freelancer or sole trader. Yes, so I'll go with that. How do you receive your cross-border payments? Let's see. Receive payments from, we're going to pick the fourth one, receive payments from both freelancer platform and business clients, right? So this is the best option to do it. Okay, what is the estimated value of your cross-border transactions each month? So we just need to select an option here. So I'll go with the third option. Then I just need to check this. I'm going to know I don't want to receive communication from Payoneer. I think I would love to receive some messages from them, so I'll go with the first option. So I just need to click on next. So it says what? Thanks, please continue registration. Yes, I'll click on that. So as you can see, the process is very simple. So we now need to provide our contact details, date of birth. Okay, we need to add. Okay, so my first name is here, my last name is here. Of course you can see we selected our business is not registered, right? So that is why that is appearing there. So I need to add my date of birth here. So in this case we're going to add up let's see, this month is June, so I'll go June. All right, so I'm going to select my year. Okay, then of course it's going to be on this date. So here you need to input your date of birth. All right, so we need to add our street number. okay, street number of our address. So as you can see, I'm in Nigeria, so I'll leave it on Nigeria. Then so I need to add my street number here, so I'll be using this street number. Yes, in case you're having issues with this, when you add up number, let's see, this is not working, so you need to click on enter manually for you to actually enter the exact number. All right, so the city, of course, I'm currently in Kano, so I'll add up this. Then the postal code, you need to add up the postal code here. So for my own case, I'll be entering my postal code. Okay, so my mobile number, of course, I need to give a valid phone number here. So I'll add up this. Nine one six. Okay, so that is a valid mobile number. So but you need to ensure that the mobile number you are entering here is very close to you, because they need to verify that phone number by sending you a code. All right, so I'm going to click on send code. I think this phone number is valid, so I'll click on send code. Okay, so they will call or they will send you an SMS telling you about the code. So I'm expecting a code from them. Okay, I think I've received the code. I need to just enter it here. Okay, so this is my code. So I'll click on next just to verify that code. You can see the code was verified, so I need to create a password for this. I need to create a password for this account. You need to ensure you enter a very strong password here. All right, so let's create a password for this account. So I need to enter password here. Okay, okay, all right. So what are the security questions? You need to select a security questions. I think I'll go with this. So basically I can just enter this as my answer to that security questions. Now we need to provide a valid government recognized ID. Okay, so these are the lists that are available. You can see we have national ID, we have driving license, we have passport, anyone that is available. So in my own case, I'll be using my national ID. So I need to add up the number here. Okay. Okay, so I need to check this. All right, so this is my ID. So I'll just click on next. So you can see it says we are at the last stage. So of course this account is a personal account, not a business account, right? So here we will come to where you need to add your bank details, right? So of course the bank is in Nigeria, then the currency of course is in Naira, then the bank name, we need to select bank name here. So I'll search for FCM. First city. Okay, so this is it. Then I need to add the account number. All right, I need to add the account number of this account. So it's okay, 442299014014. Okay. So I've added my phone number. Of course, I agree with the terms and conditions. I agree with the privacy and fee, whatever. Okay, just check these two boxes. Then, of course, you're good to go. So I need to just click on submit. When you click on submit, yes, they'll send you this message telling you congratulations. Okay, your account application has been submitted successfully and it's now being reviewed. So after a few minutes, they're going to, you know, they're going to send you a mail to inform you that your account has been approved. So this is how easy it is for you to create a Payoneer account, guys. So if you found this video very helpful or valuable to you, give it a thumbs up.